Hi, this is Cary with Wicked Stocks, bringing you another video analysis. This one recorded Friday, June 18th, 2021 on NIO Inc., symbol NIO. You're probably familiar with NIO, but if not, just know that they are, according to their website, a pioneer in China's premium electric vehicle market. They design, jointly manufacture, and sell smart and connected premium electric vehicles, driving innovations in next-generation technologies and connectivity, autonomous driving, and artificial intelligence. And that's all I'm going to say about them in terms of their fundamentals. I do see a buy signal here that has recently emerged, still in the earliest stages, and the prospects are for about a 40 to 50% gain on this particular move. Wicked Stocks offers two forms of membership, free and premium. Free membership is exactly as it sounds. For no cost or obligation, you will receive one free stock video analysis a week, typically released on Mondays. And if you provide your name and email address, you'll receive an email from us each and every time a new free weekly video is ready for viewing. The second form of membership is premium and provides at least two stock videos every week and costs $24.95 a month. Just click on the premium membership link, fill out your payment information through our safe gateway portal, and you'll receive an email each and every time a new premium video is ready for viewing. Cancellation is allowed at any time. And just so you know, this is the second NIO video I've put out in the last 6 months or so. The first was on January 7th. You can see that video, find that video, go to the search function on wickedstocks.com, just type in NIO, and you can see that video at the time. It's no longer timely. It had more to do with what was happening then in January, February, and now, months later, we have a buy signal following several months of consolidation. Let's actually take a look at the chart. This is a weekly chart of NIO going back to its New York Stock Exchange origins in July of 2018. And then you can see, I'm just showing the extremes for this year alone. January 21 all-time high was $66.99, and the most recent low from about a month and a half ago in May was $30.71. Right now, I'm going to zoom in on an area to show you the channel structure that I'm looking at, which this week is at, and I'm talking the week of June 21st, by the way. These are weekly charts. The week of June 21st, this week, 44.61 is a channel structure this market actually settled above a little over a week ago, eliciting a buy signal that should play out into the third quarter. It drops to 44.13 a full 4 weeks later. And as usual, if you want to know the exact price location of this support, this price support, you just subtract them out, divide by 4, and you can ascertain the exact location of that formation. This is a formation you can buy into on a dip. You can buy presently just on present price activity because we are in the midst of a buy signal that should play out, I'm going to say over the next 2 to 3 months or sooner, into the lower 60s. What is now at 64.23 drops to 63.75 the week of July 19th. And once again, that simple math will give you the exact location of that target through time, through the third quarter. And that is an objective. We could rally there quickly within 3 to 5 weeks, or it could take several months. But I'm giving that just sort of the time range, holding above 44.61, 64.23 expected, which is a rally in the neighborhood of 50%. But depending on where you buy and where you get in, it could be 40%, so forth and so on. And I think this is a good trade so long as we continue placing weekly settlements above that 44.61 area. Now, if we close this week, for instance, back below 44.61, all bets are off. This stock can fall back into the lower 30s over the next 3 to 5 weeks, where we have a bit of a double bottom from February and May, 31.91 and then 30.71. So let's just say, the lower 30s once again, likely if we close this week back below 44.61. But until then, that's a good bottom picking zone, or it's just good to be long this stock right now, so long as we're trading above it. Obviously, there'll be a little trouble spots on the way up. I'm not going to bore you with those details. This is big picture, and I'm anticipating the lower 60s over the next few months where profits can be taken. And I think that's all I need to say. I don't need to be any more redundant than that. We're in the midst of a buy signal. A good zone to buy is in the 44.61 region, and anticipating the 64.23 region over the next few months, possibly sooner. I think that's all that really needs to be said for this particular Wicked Stocks video analysis on NIO Inc.